Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2x plus 8 to find the values of x. In the first step, we start by applying log to the both sides. So it will be log of x to the power of x is equal to log of 2 to the power of 2x plus 8. And if we have log of a to the power of m, it will be m times log of a. M times log of a. So in here it will be this x, we can take this outside of this log, so it will be x times log of x is equal to this 2x plus 8 times log of 2, and it will be x log of x is equal to this times this is 2x log of 2 and plus this times this 8 log of 2. And in the next step we take this 2x log of 2 to the left side, so it will be x log of x minus this 2x log of 2 and is equal to this 8 times log of 2. And the next step, in here x and x is common, so we can factor this x, and this divided by this is log of x, and this divided by this is minus 2 log of 2. 2 log of 2 is equal to 8 times log of 2. And here, if we have a log of a to the power of m is equal to m times log of a, and 2 times log of 2, m times log of a, we can write it log of a to the power of m, and here log of 2 to the power of this 2, so it will be x times log of x minus, in here, log of 2 to the power of this 2, log of 2 to the power of this 2 is equal to 8 times log of 2. And if we have log of a minus log of b is equal to log of a over b, log of a over b, and here we have x times log of x minus log of 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and log of x minus log of 4 we can write as log of x over 4 is equal to 8 times log of, and here we can write these 2 as 8 over 4, these 2 as 8 over 4. 8 over 4 also is 2, and these 2 we can write 8 over 4. And we compare these two sides of this equation, so x, and we have 8 here, and 4, and we have 4 here, and also x, and we have 8 here. So by comparing to this both sides of this equation, x is 8. So this is our answer for this equation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.